Hello, my name is Johnny Ramirez Sosa, and I'm going to read you a bit of my film script. It's about a horror movie with a nurse named Elizabeth and a dog named Chester. This is Night Shift. It all started in early 2020 when a nurse was on her way to work. She woke up in the morning, had a coffee, took her dog for a walk. In the afternoon, everything normal. When she got home, she took a shower to get ready since she worked the night shift at El Robert Hospital. During her shower, she started feeling strange. She finished showering, and as she got out, the phone rang and her dog started barking. She picked up the phone. "Hello, who's calling?" she asked again and again. A broken voice answered, "Don't go to work." She thought it was the neighborhood kids making prank calls. She continued getting ready. Her dog barked as if some had broken in. Like fear, and the alarm clock chimed. It was time to leave the house. She went outside to catch a bus. Inside the bus, she felt a chill. She turned around and saw a figure sitting behind her. The bus made several stops. People got on and off, but the figure remained as if it were following her. When she finally arrived at her stop in front the hospital, she realized the figure was gone as soon as she got off. She didn't pay much attention to it because she was running late. Arrived at her work area, she had to check on five of her patients. She checked her notebook. One had a fever, another has swelling in his foot, another had a stomachache, and two children had arm pain. But she noticed she had a sixth patient who wasn't saying one word. So she went to the room where he was. As she walked down the hall, the lights started flickering. When she entered the room, there was some on the gurney, and suddenly the lights went out. When she turned the light back on, no one was there. The room was completely empty. The bed was stained with blood that said, "I'm watching you." She ran to the lawn where her friends were and started telling them what had happened, but no one believed her since no sick parent had been admitted. She woke up, went home with a severe stomachache and headache. I arrived home and never returned to work at that hospital. To this day, nobody knows anything about her disease finally, and that's all.